So yeah, it's mid-June, and we've been having some humid days and some rainy days, and 大丈夫. And this is what the Strawbale is looking like. And as you can see, even grasses are starting to just grow. You know, the seeds are transplanted through the air, and they're starting to grow even on the sides. So this is a very effective, and these are the tomatoes that are coming up. Got some blossoms that'll let us know what it will be harvesting in a little while. But you see how we created the substrate for to break up the fibers in the bale and to make, provide extra nutrients, and the plants are doing very well. And there's the other one over there, and it's looking pretty good. Right here, the indigo looks like it's doing well. I'm going to harvest the tops of these. It'll continue to bush out, and I'll be able to kind of experiment with the color using it fresh and then also using it dried out. So I'm kind of excited about how this indigo is going to come about. These are the potato plants. I'm excited. This is my first time trying to do this, to see how it turn out. From cutting half of russet potatoes in half and sprouting out the eyes, and then actually it started to grow. The plant itself started to grow from the bottoms, and so I just transplanted them into a bag, and they're right next to some eucalyptus here, which helps keep the bugs away, as well as there's plenty of mint, spearmint, that's kind of taking over. It wants to, and it operates as a natural insecticide, so pesticide. So sitting there in the bag there in the soil, and they're looking like they're coming up pretty good.